Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can create this jazz singer look on Dress to Impress with no VIP needed, and you only need 5 items. So I'm just going to remove everything except for the ones I made adjustments on. For the hair, I just used this one in this brown color, but you can use any color that you'd like. Grab this microphone and I just colored it this silver in glitter. And then this darker gray. For the outfit, I did use the style showdown dress, but you can use any floor length dress that you own. I used this color again in glitter and then colored the rest the same. Then I added this necklace in that same color. Then for this part, I used this fur hat in the same color. Position the Y to 0.12, Z 0.36, rotate the X to 0.7, and scale it to 1. And that is it. Super simple. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.